Hello friends, welcome back to Bookends. I'm here this week with another craft. Now friends, I am back on my bookend bullshit. Yeah, that's right. Today we're making more bookends. Now I'm trying to think back, and the yarn wrapped arch situation video up here, that was supposed to be bookends. I am not using them as bookends. I never made the second one. So this might actually be our first actual bookend endeavor. Either way, today I'm making, I don't know, they're like mountain bookends out of wood triangles. So this is some scrap wood that I had. Now the pin has, so this is from a 2x4, obviously, and this is from a 1x6. And they say use a 2x4 and a 2x6, but the scrap piece of 2x6 that I had wasn't long enough. You want to start with a 6-inch 2x4 and an 8-inch 2x6. So we have an 8-inch 1x6. Anyway, and then you cut them in half. Yeah. This was the most terrifying part on my saw. And then essentially what we're gonna do is they will stand up like this, and then you glue, and then you have your bookends, right? So this is essentially what we're going for. We are going to paint first, then glue, and then rate. Paint, glue, rate. That's the plan. Now, for mine, I'm gonna do like a mint green color. So I'm gonna mix that up. Now on this 1x6, I'm not gonna paint everything that's under the 2x4, right? Because I have wood glue, E6000 glue. I'm gonna use them both and hope for the best. So I don't wanna, because it's wood glue, I want it to actually be touching wood, not paint. I don't know how much of a difference that would make, but step one, let's mix up the paint. Well, okay, so I guess step one was cut your pieces, but I already did that. Step two, mix up your paint. So I'm gonna just go green and white. All right, and there's the green we've got. I like it, I'm gonna go with it. And what I'm gonna actually do is paint the 2x4s first, because if I need to mix up more paint, then I can make the back piece a little bit lighter, because, you know, here's your little art class for the day. Anything further away is going to appear lighter. So white, like the mountains in the back would be lighter, right? So here we go. Step one, mix paint. Step two, paint. Let's do that. Okay, and there's the first part of painting. I'm gonna let these dry a tiny bit more because we need to paint snowy mountaintops on top in white. So if I try to, I don't want the green and white to mix together and then it's like a green snow mountaintop. Gross, right? So I'm just gonna give it a minute and let the green dry a little bit. The next painting step is to paint the snowy mountaintops. Okay, we are done with the painting. I might do a little touch-up painting, but we've got the backgrounds, or the back mountains, and the front mountains. Now, all we have to do is glue these together. Seems simple enough, but we'll see, right? Oh, I didn't even plan that line, it just happened. Look at me, not as smooth on this side. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw down some wood glue. I can get it open. I'm gonna hit them with the 1-2 punch of the wood glue and the E6000 glue. Okay, so I have these clamped. They're very precariously placed. So I am gonna let them dry for a tiny bit. I'm not gonna wait the full 24 hours to come back and give a rating, because I'm trying to just like film this in one sitting for this video. We've been doing a lot of videos where I have to like come back later. I'm trying to just avoid that. So far though, I think they're cute. So there's that. I think I can let them, the wood glue tends to stay together a little bit quicker than the E6000, so we'll see. All right, friends, we're back. They are at least dry enough to not have the clamps on. And if my framing looks a little off, I had to charge my battery between, so apologies. So here we are with our little mountain bookends. I think they're pretty cute. I don't know how well they're gonna hold books, but I guess that's TBD. And I think what I'll do is I'll get little rubber feet for the bottom so they don't slide. That's my goal. So rating, likability. I am gonna give these today a 5 out of 5. I really like them. I think they're cute and hopefully they work. Ease of following instructions. I'm gonna give them a 5 on this one too. Very straightforward instructions, gave me good measurements, although maybe could have like let me know what saw they used. That would have been nice. Cause like, did they also fear they were gonna cut their hands off? Now, I did not have my, so like if we're cutting this in half, right? My blade is right here. I didn't have my hand right here. That'd be crazy. I had another piece of wood to use as like a buffer, like you see people do with table saws. Either way, still a little scary. Cost is 5 out of 5. These are scrap pieces of wood I had the glue, I had the paint, so I didn't have to buy anything for this, and you know how happy that makes me. Should you make it or should you buy it? Make it. If you have scrap pieces of wood laying around and some either wood glue, E6000, hot glue, make it. Make it. It was pretty easy. And you could probably cut these in half with like any saw, although I wouldn't want to be hand sawing through a 2x4, but that's just me, I guess. Or maybe it's not, I don't know. Overall rating, I'm gonna give this, okay, I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 today. And maybe I'll include it in my follow-up video on like, did these things work? Because I haven't actually got to try it yet, but I like it right here, right now. I think it's gonna work out fine. And even if they don't actually hold books, like it will be really cute on a bookshelf. So yeah, I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10. So that's this week's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope, you know, if you try this, comment below. Let me know how it goes for you. And if you like this video, like this video. If you didn't like this video, like this video, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss anything. Comment below, what did you think? Have you tried this? Are you going to try this? I don't know. Do you like how my hair dried this today? Anything, I'd love to hear from you. Unless it's mean, then maybe just keep that to yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.